Hello, everybody. So now that we have done a search, we're going to figure out, okay, how do we limit this? How do we get it from over 200,000 results down to a little bit more of what we need? All right. So what we're going to do is first, we're going to play with some limiters. So how do we do this? One of the things we can do is by using Boolean searching methods. So what does that mean? It pretty much means that we're going to mess with the search itself to ensure that we're only getting what we actually want. So first things first, I'm going to put quotation marks around the name Theodore Roosevelt. You can also do this with terms that are more than one word, right? And what this does is it makes sure that I'm not just getting Roosevelt or Theodore, I'm getting the entire term Theodore Roosevelt, all right? So maybe I want to be a little bit more specific. I want Theodore Roosevelt specifically in New York State, right? His New York State history. So then I'm going to type "and" in all caps, and then New York State. I'm going to make sure that New York State is also in quotation marks. By putting the "and" in all caps, what I'm doing is I'm ensuring that I get this term and this term. You can also do or, not, and or. You can play with the middle part to get what you want. Think of it as kind of like a math equation. All right. Another thing that we can do is I'm going to put parentheses around this because there are different ways that the term New York State can be written out. Maybe it's just going to be written as New York, right? So now I'm getting work for me. Sometimes the search bar doesn't work the way you want it to. I'm going to put an or in between here. So what does this do? This ensures that I'm getting Theodore Roosevelt and New York State or New York. However it's written, I want that result. All right? So let's press search and see what comes up and see how much less results we get. All right, we got way more results. Why? Because I put a lot of stuff in here, right? I want Theodore Roosevelt and this. Next, we're going to figure out how do we narrow it down with this. Stay tuned.